welcome to another Elliott Wave for Car Charts of the Day video. My name is Eric. Today is the 27th of July around 10:37 p.m. Eastern Times. And here we go, guys, with Charts of the Day. Charts of the Day is something that we publish every single day on the homepage of the chart or on the homepage of the site. And each day is going to be a complete different instrument. Today, we're going to talk about Tesla. We covered Tesla in Group 3 of Elliott Wave for gas. This is the list of stocks and ETF that we cover in Group 3. And Tesla is covered in this group, in Group 3. Every day, we present the pre-market view, the New York view, the post-market view, the 4-hour view, the dailies, and the weekly. And that allow our members to track the instruments that they prefer. They can put on a star on it, and they can just type here anyone or American airline, and they can see the time frame that they want. So today we're gonna talk about Tesla. Tesla has been in a very a strong decline over the last few days or last 2 weeks. It was sideways, and all of a sudden, Tesla started this decline. We believe that Tesla is going to continue to decline, and we believe that the next few sessions it will determine how fast Tesla is gonna reach the buying area. At this stage, we believe that Tesla from the peak at May 13 is gonna be doing what we call a five-way decline. One, two, three, four, and a five. In that decline, Tesla still needs to do a series of 4 and 5. First in black, then in red, then in blue, that it would take Tesla to a target that it is at that it is around 290, 208. That would be the area when we would like to start buying Tesla. Now, the decline on the daily time frame, it can be in two ways. This is very choppy. We labeling as an ABC because of the strong decline from here, which is July the 2nd. But the decline also depending if Tesla hold 296 or no, the decline can be labeled as an A, B, C in blue, WX, then W here, and then a W in blue, and X with the biggest bound, but always to the same target. At this stage, we like the ABC decline to the downside, reaching an area that we're gonna put it as a blue box area over here and highlight it over here between 290 and 2 and 189. This is the area to buy Tesla. How we gonna go down? Like I say, in a series of 3, 4, 5, in the series of 3, 4, and 5. I believe that we might see over here maybe a bounce to fail within the next 24 hours, and after we're gonna see a decline that is gonna take it to 296. 296 is gonna generate another small bounce. Then when we reach around 290, we will see a kind of a biggest bounce. And I believe that if everything came out perfectly, Tesla is gonna be ending seeing the 252 area, and when strong buyers over here, right, they will enter the market right here. Ideally, we're gonna see three bounds. This one, another one from 296, and then one from 290, and eventually the last trust is gonna take her to 252. Of course, we're gonna be forecasting the path to members in our daily update. Remember, we do daily 3 updates in Tesla. We do the pre-market right here before the market open, the midday around noon, and the post-market after the market close. So we're gonna draw in the map to members that the path is around what we explained over here. If you like our forecast, what we're spreading and what we recommended to you guys, we invite you guys to take the 14-day trial for just 99 cents. It's very easy. You just click on the link over here, right? Click on the link, follow the step, pay 99 cents, and you will be able to get this map that we draw to members every single day. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you guys around. Have a good night, everyone.